Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And yesterday I was talking with one of my friend, and he asked me like, why do I like Python? Is it because it's easy? Yeah, it's easy. I will not deny. But the reason why I like Python, one of the reason is it's a special method, or say magic methods. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about two magic methods, that is Thunderland and Thunder Iter. Let's see. Over here, I have written one list, and if I wanted to find how many items are there in this list, then what I will do, len and then call numbers. This will return number of items in this list. And if I wanted to iterate through each of the items, either I can use for loop or while loop, but in a Pythonic way is for item in numbers. This is Pythonic way. Say item, and we can get all these items, right? Now let's see one more example over here. Now I have written one custom class. This is just like a list, and I have two methods over here. One is to add element to this list, and second is to display the elements. Now let me run this code, and I'm over here. I'm just going to create an object of this class using this line, and now I'm going to add these four numbers. Now if I want to display it, let's run this code, and you can see I got this list, right? Now if I wanted to use len uh, function for this custom class object, this one, let me run this, and over here you can see I'm getting error. Let's check for this for loop and see if this is working or not. And over here also I'm getting the error. Now if I want those method to work, simply I can write these functions, the special methods, say def double underscore len double underscore self, and say return len of self dot new list. Let's run the code once again. Now if I'll run this code, you can see I got the number of item in this list. Let me add this element once again. So now there are 8 elements. Let's check the length. You can see I got the length as 8, right? Now if I wanted to use this for loop for this custom class, then I have to define one more special method, that is double underscore iter double underscore self, and just return iter self dot new list. So this is kind of a generator. This is going to return a generator, and the same thing will be used in this for loop. So if I run this, now you can see I got all these 4 numbers over here. And this is actually really beautiful, because even if this is a custom class, I can use these uh, functions, or even this loop, which is kind of very generic throughout the Python. So this is really a very powerful way to implement. Even suppose you are going to create this class and the person who is using this class, he may or may not know about these functions, but still he can use it, right? So this is really one of the very powerful feature of Python. That is the reason why I really like it. So thanks for watching.